Welcome to today's gratitude meditation. Begin by finding yourself in a comfortable position, whether that's lying down or seated. Tuning in to the natural pace of your breath. And just taking this opportunity to connect with your body and just noticing how it feels in your present position. And now make one small adjustment to your position that would make you slightly more comfortable. And offering yourself some gratitude for recognizing any areas of discomfort and then making the appropriate adjustment. We'll begin today's practice by taking 3 shared breaths, allowing us to unite with all that are listening to this recording at this moment, those who have listened in the past, and those that will listen in the future. Taking a shared inhale in and hold, and an exhale out. And taking an inhale in and hold, and an exhale out. And a final inhale in and hold, and an exhale out. And for today, I'd like to offer you the opportunity to participate in a gratitude meditation, an opportunity to be thankful for one individual in your life. Begin by closing your eyes and see if you can visualize one individual in your life that you're grateful for. Allow yourself to see them within your mind's eye and really take in the image of them, all the way from what they're wearing on their feet and visualizing them all the way up to the top of their head. And as you see the complete person in front of you, just noticing how you naturally react to seeing this individual. Does your body have a particular reaction? Do your emotions have any sort of reaction? Does your mind respond in any way? And just noticing what it's like to be within this individual's presence. And if you were to come up with one characteristic about this individual that you're most grateful for, what would it be? See if you can simplify it into one word, and then allow this word to surround this individual. You can see it in the font of your choice, and the color, and the size. Just visualize this word and see it pulsing around the individual before you. And asking yourself, what would it take for you to take on this characteristic in your own life? Imagine everyone that you encounter being just as grateful as you are for this individual and how it is that you make them feel. Make a commitment for yourself to just try for the next day or the next week to surround yourself with this thought and see if your thought leads into action. Taking one final moment to observe the individual standing before you and sending them lots and lots of gratitude for being within your life. Allowing this person to slowly fade from your mind's eye as we take 3 shared breaths to close out today's practice. Taking an inhale in and hold, and an exhale out, and an inhale in, and hold, and an exhale out, and a final inhale in, and hold, and an exhale out. Thank you for joining today's gratitude meditation, and enjoy the rest of your day.